Make or do. Super common mistake in English, right? Let's get it sorted once and for all.
So what's the deal with these two? Hey, don't worry, a lot of people mix them up. Okay, this one. I did a mistake. We hear it all the time. Let's dig into why it's wrong.
All right, let's start with make. Basically, if you're creating something new, you use make.
Think about it. You make coffee. You're putting ingredients together to create a drink. Same with making a plan. You're creating a new set of ideas for the future. Or how about this? You make a noise. You're creating a sound where it was quiet before.
So that's why you make a mistake. You've literally created an error. Simple, right?
Okay, now for do. This one's for tasks, chores, actions you just perform. For example, you do your homework. It's a task that you need to finish. You do the laundry or you do the dishes. These are just everyday chores you get done. And you can do your best. Here, it's about putting in the effort or performing an action.
So let's boil it down. Make is for creating. Do is for completing tasks. That's the core difference.
All right, quick quiz time for you. Do you make a decision or do a decision?
Here's a hint. Are you creating a choice? Pop your answer in the comments below. See, getting this right can really level up your English. What other tricky phrases should we explain?